Hello, everyone. I'm going to give you another knife sharpening trick. It's very effective and can save money. This is my knife before sharpening. If you have a knife, you can follow it. This is my trick. It's very helpful. If you're having trouble with anything, please let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. I'm happy to talk to people from all over the world, and maybe even share. Give each other interesting tips. It makes my life easier. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. It's great to see your support. After measuring, sandpaper and cut into 2 such pieces. Let's use double-sided tape and put 2 pieces of sandpaper back on the stick in the ice cream stick. The next step is we're going to get to the grinding stage. Use less white vinegar. Now, let's put the vinegar on the delivery. Let's put some water on our grinder. Now, we're also starting to grind. Sharpen your hands from the base of the knife to the tip of the knife. You can sharpen both sides of the blade. We can add more toothpaste. Baking soda. And hit this mixture on the blade. Let's keep grinding. Now, let's wash this knife with clean water. Use a paper towel to clean it. So we're going to start experimenting with this knife. Now, my knife has been cut. It's incredibly smooth on paper. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like. Subscribe to a channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.